This video will introduce you to how to make the most secret drink that can protect you, not only during these COVID times, but at any time, by boosting your body's immunity to the highest level. There are various ways to take the human body's immune system to a very high level by changing the food we eat daily. Consuming this drink offers increased resistance to illnesses and diseases. Welcome to the Tutorial Master channel. Our channel will bring you various subject matters to fulfill your educational needs as a series of videos. Subscribe us to see more videos like this. Comment below your opinions, it matters to improve content quality. If you think this video is helpful, please share it with others. Now, let's look at making a top secret drink that boosts immunity to the highest level. Put about 50 grams of dried coriander seeds in a bowl. Fry on low heat for 6 to 10 minutes. Remember to fry all the coriander seeds evenly until they turn light brown. Just fry the coriander seeds until light brown and never allow them to turn black. Stir frequently with a spoon to prevent the coriander seeds from burning. Then, add about 400 milliliters of water and add about 20 grams of finely chopped ginger. Now close the lid of the jar, increase the heat, and leave for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the lid from the jar. Now, cook on low heat until half of the water in the pot has evaporated. Here we hope to add the entire essence of coriander to the water by cooking lightly. Finally, after half of the water in the jar has evaporated, strain to the cup through a strainer. Add a teaspoon of sugar to this drink, mix well, and drink when it is slightly warm. It would be best to drink this drink when you have a fever, cold, or feel like you are about to catch it. 200 milliliters should be taken 3 times a day, in other words, in the morning, after lunch and at night. That is, I can tell you from experience that you can get exceptional results by drinking 600 milliliters a day. You can watch our next video on the top 10 foods that can protect you, not only during these COVID times, but at any time, by boosting your body's immunity to the highest level. I kindly ask you to leave a comment below mentioning the fantastic results you got from drinking this drink. Subscribe us to see more videos like this. If you think this video is helpful, please share it with others.